how to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you two ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go into the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. On this page, as you can see, we'll find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then you have to scroll. Let's wait, scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and now right here you have to click on this force stop and click on the storage, click on clear data. That's the first way. The second way is go to the settings and go into the system options or the settings, and then click on the language and input, and then you have to change the language into the English, and also make sure the country is United States. Don't forget to like, subscribe.